Well, I'm not over. Like, why would I do that? Freely, what you? Okay. I think I have diabetes, but demographic. It almost looks outlined. I do. It's instrumental. What are you gonna do free now? Mount. Alright, next. Yeah, leave. We don't want you here. What's the damn. Okay. Actually, I'm not gonna be run it. Also, something that I saw today. Yeah, that's my take. Ew, whatever. I won't even be there to experience it. Can you guys get quiet? I just made my. Oh my god, I'm gonna cut. And not. You're like, have you even tried? That's what I want to know if. You guys scare me. That is so. Okay. Like, you're right. Unless I go to a hairdresser. I'm almost, but when. Is that of respect? That's fine. Roblox play along. I'm depressed because I got to do finals. It means they're sensitive. They understand consent. Like what? I'm not even gonna. And you're sensitive. Finish with that. Aww. Fish, I love to hear that. That makes me so happy. I'll dance like all the time, like every one of the best moments of my life, dare I say. Or unreal expectations for sex/women. The only thing I go to hell. Tutor Adventure Time. I have. And I love that one. And they start partying with late. Guys, let's escape the. Oh wait, what was it? The misunderstanding was like. Okay. So I'm sorry that in all honesty, if you even. Oh my god. Ghost Knight, thanks for. Put it in the pinned comment. Okay. I love that. Canada more. My whole leg, man. Your. No, excuse me, every 5 Bless Las Vegas of. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Was it sad? Okay. Post your out them. Are you really a space nerd? What is that? 2,000 kilometers. That is a crazy thing to say, but like, if you. So let's start the freaking advice. Okay, that's what I think about you. Or you know what? I think you cried. She was on Pound Cake? You're right. He probably did have money. But she's also Madison Beer. You're gonna have to DM me about that. And I want you guys to Holy Bard, that's me. Let's start. No hate at all. It's something. It's literally just gluttony. Like, to go crazy. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Listen. Don't kiss her. To their drink with codeine. Okay. Guys, come on, bro. Can I do a backflip though? Yeah. It isn't even an option in my. Yeah, Dana. Actually, guessing. Hey, Spets. We will. Okay. I love. Felt like talking more me. Something. Like something comes over. Welcome back. Theories or conspiracy. Pwned. Good. I have discover. Pretend like you care. 1 to 2. Yeah. You. Awesome, amazing. Thank you for subscribing, Dan. Okay. Who does Jack like it?